Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of PN Amorsay High School. We will continue with our chapter number 14, factorization. Now students, let us continue with our exercise 14.1, question number 3, factorize. Here so students, few algebraic expressions are given, we have to factorize them. Now solution for exercise 14.1, question number 3. First part of question number 3, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Students, here we have to regroup the term. As here you can see in this in these two terms the common factor is x, and in these two terms the common factor is x, and in these two terms the common factor is 8. Here no single factor is common in all the terms. So what we will do, we will regroup them. So first group we will take x square plus xy. Here students, आपको सबसे पहले इन टर्म्स को ग्रुप में डिवाइड करना है. तो सबसे पहले आप पेयर लोगे एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स वाई. अब इन दोनों में जो कॉमन फैक्टर है वो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. इन दोनों में जो कॉमन फैक्टर है वो है एक्स. सो हियर वी विल राइट एक्स. इफ यू टेक आउट एक्स फ्रॉम एक्स स्क्वायर, अगर आप एक्स स्क्वायर में से एक्स निकाल देंगे तो आपके पास सिर्फ एक्स रह जाएगा. एंड एक्स वाई में से भी अगर आप एक्स निकाल दोगे तो आपके पास वाई रह जाएगा. And here the sign is of plus, so here we will write plus. Then here we will place the sign of plus. Now next pair we will take of 8x plus 8y. Now in these two pairs the common factor is 8, so here we will write 8, and in the bracket we will write, if we take out 8 from 8x, so x will remain, plus sign we will place, and if we take out 8 from 8y, then y will remain. Now students, in this way you have to regroup the terms and find out the common factor first. Students, यहाँ पर जो दोनों जो term आएगा इस bracket में वो same होना चाहिए. Now this x plus y we will write here as it is, and then we will write in the next bracket x plus 8. In this way students, by factorizing x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y, we get the answer x plus y multiplied by in the bracket x plus 8. Now second part of question number 3, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Students, here also you can see that in 15xy and 6x, in these two terms the common factor is 3 and x. यहाँ पर 15, the factor of 15 are 3 and 5, and the factor of 6 are 2 and 3. So 3 is common factor in both the term, and x is also common factor in both the term. And in 5y minus 2 there is no common factor except 1. So what we will do, first we will form the group of these two terms, 15xy minus 6x. So here students, as I have explained you now, that the common factor between these two terms is 3x. So here we will write 3x, and in the bracket we will write, if we take out 3x from 15xy, so 3 5 is 15, so 5 will remain here and y will remain. If we take out 3x from 15xy, we will get 5y, minus sign we will place here. And if we take out 3x from 6x, so we will get 2. The remaining factor, if we take out 6x, 3x from 6x will be 2. Then we will place a sign of plus here. Now no common factor is there among these two terms, so we will write 1. जब कोई भी common factor नहीं होता है तो आपको 1 as in factor use करना है, and 5y minus 2 you will write as it is. Now 5y minus 2 you will write here, and then in the next bracket you will write 3x plus 1. In this way we will regroup the term algebraic expression and find out the answer. So by factorizing 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2, we will get in the bracket 5y minus 2 multiplied by in the bracket 3x plus 1. These two are the factors of this algebraic expression. Now students, third and fourth part of question number 3, you have to do it by yourself. Now fifth part, z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Here also students, you can see there is no single factor which is common in all the terms. Here only z is the factor, here only 7 is the factor. and here 7xy are factors and here xyz are factors. So there is no single factor which is common among these terms. So first we will form the pair of these two terms, z minus 7. Here we will first arrange it as z minus 7. Here first we will write down minus xyz and then plus 7xy. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे पहले आपको टर्म्स को अरेंज करना है. पहले आप z माइनस 7 लिखेंगे, फिर प्लस माइनस xyz एंड देन प्लस 7xy. I will explain you later why we have shifted the terms from minus xyz from last to here third term. See, first group we will make of 7 minus z. Here no common term is there, so we will take 1 as a common factor and in the bracket we will write z minus 7. Then we will take the pair of minus xyz and 7x plus 7xy. Here students, the common factor between these two terms is xy. Here in this term also xy is there and in this term also xy is there. So here we will write xy. And here students, we will place the sign of minus. If we take out minus xy from minus xyz, the remaining factor will be z. And if we take out minus xy from 7xy, students, here we will place the sign of minus and here we will write 7. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे हमने माइनस की साइन ली है बिकॉज अगर आप माइनस xy को माइनस 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा प्लस 7xy. इसीलिए हमने ये जो टर्म है उसको शिफ्ट करके इधर प्लेस किया है. अगर आप इस टर्म को इधर ही प्लेस करोगे तो जो आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे वो आ जाएगा 7 माइनस z. एंड हियर द टर्म विच वी हैव टेकन एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर इज z माइनस 7. यहाँ पर जो कॉमन फैक्टर हमने फाइंड आउट किया वो z माइनस 7 है. तो यहाँ पर भी जो टर्म आना चाहिए वो है z माइनस 7. इसीलिए आपको इसको रीअरेंज करना है एंड माइनस xyz को इधर लिखना है. फिर आप जब इस तरह से कॉमन फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करोगे तो दोनों जो टर्म्स होंगे वो सेम होंगे. नाउ फर्स्ट यू विल राइट z माइनस 7 and then second pair will be 1 minus xy. So by factorizing z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz, we got the answer as z minus 7 multiplied by in the bracket 1 minus xy. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.